How does Section 481 tax relief boost Irish film? Imagine walking through a film set in Ireland, seeing stunning landscapes and vibrant city scenes. Did you know that government support helps make this happen? That's where Section 481 tax relief comes in. It is a special tax incentive designed to encourage filmmakers to shoot their projects in Ireland. This tax credit can cover up to 32% of eligible Irish spending on a film or television project. That means if a production spends €1 million on Irish costs, they could get back up to €320,000 in tax relief. This includes expenses for actors, crew, equipment, and services bought within Ireland. The main goal is to make Ireland a more attractive place for filming. When production costs go down, more international companies choose Ireland as their filming location. This brings in big projects, which create jobs for Irish actors, technicians, and artists. It also helps local businesses like hotels, restaurants, and transport services. Films and TV shows shot here often showcase Ireland's beautiful scenery and rich culture, attracting tourists who want to visit those locations. To qualify for the tax relief, projects need to meet certain rules. They must spend at least €125,000 on Irish costs. The total production budget should be at least €250,000. The project also needs to meet cultural or co-production criteria, meaning it should reflect Irish culture or be made in partnership with Ireland. Producers can claim the tax credit after finishing the project or even up to 90% in advance. This helps with cash flow, making it easier to fund the production. There is also an extra 8% uplift called the sale incentive for smaller films costing less than €20 million. To qualify, key creative roles like the director or producer must be Irish or from the European Economic Area. For travelers exploring Ireland, this support means more films and TV shows are made here. You might recognize famous filming locations from movies or series supported by this tax relief. Seeing these places in real life adds a special touch to your trip. Overall, Section 481 helps boost the Irish film industry by lowering costs, attracting international projects, and showcasing Ireland's beauty and culture to the world. This creates a lively art scene and benefits the economy, making Ireland a hub for creative storytelling.